do not slack off on maintenance. Hello viewers, Wei here. There's no cooking in today's video because I'm going to be taking care of my beloved copper pan. As you can see, it's been way too long since I last cleaned it and it looks perfect. And this is the catch with copper pans. I'd like to think that most people probably find copper cookwares desirable, not only for its outstanding heat conductivity, but the beautiful color and the shiny look. I mean, they just look fabulous, don't they? Some people even use them solely for decorative purposes. And if I could afford all those Movia pans, I'd be hanging them in my kitchen as well. So, copper pans. They look fantastic. They perform superbly well. They might be expensive, fine, but what's the catch? Well, although copperwares are generally very tough and durable, they do tarnish very easily due to oxidization caused by heat and humidity, the two things that won't be short of in the kitchen. So that means regular maintenance, ideally. Otherwise, you probably won't enjoy it very much the next time you do it, like me here in this video. So I'm using this copperware cleaning paste thing to grind off these oxidized outer layer on the pan. It involves a lot of elbow grease and nasty smells and certain amounts of cussing. And as you can see, because I've been stacking off for too long, some of it really caked onto the pan itself, and it's pretty tough to remove. But it does get most of it off, and I'm moving on to the lid. The lid is much better in condition, but there still are a few tough spots you'll see later. Yeah, you can see some of the black spots on the lid. Another issue with copper is that it can react with the food you're cooking with and be toxic to consume. Because of this, copper pans are usually lined, traditionally with tin, later more commonly with stainless steel. I think some manufacturers even do silver linings, but that's pure luxury. The problem with tin linings is that it wears off over time with use, so the pan has to be relined multiple times over its lifespan, which is both tedious and costly. Stainless steel solves this at the cost of a little bit of a thermal performance. You can see here the lid is pretty spotless and shiny and like new, but the pan needed a second go. And another thing with copper pans, they don't work on induction stoves, unless it's like mine here, which has got a stainless bottom attached to the pan, so that it works on pretty much all cooktops. And here I switched to the blue Scotch-Brite pads because I thought it would provide more grinding power and would take off the tough spots more easily than the soft sponge supplied with the paste, but it only worked so much because this is the blue Scotch-Brite, which is non-abrasive, unlike the regular green ones, which are much more aggressive. And here is the final result. As you can see, the pan is no longer in the orangey sort of color and back to more pinkish color. And although there are still a lot of bits left on the pan, I'll have to take it off camera. So there you go. Thanks for watching me cleaning a pan. Wow, that sounds even worse than cleaning itself. I hope you liked the video, and it's really not that bad if you regularly take care of your cookware. So like, comment, subscribe, share the video. It really helps. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.